What's up everybody, Black Dragonrider here. How are you guys doing? Hope you're having a good time. It is Tuesday. I think it's lunchtime. And at the moment I am not really happy. Not really happy. Oh man. Oh, well, today I'm just going out and put some petrol in my motorcycle. That's what I'm going to do now. And today I need to change my visor because I was riding at night time and go and see a friend who had a problem. As I was changing my visor, the parts for the vent for my visor broke off, and you can see the picture here. It just broke off. Now, I think I had that visor since 2015, the clear one, and it sucks. It just came apart. Not cool. So now that I have to try and buy myself a new one. Oh boy. Yeah, I have to buy myself a clear visor for my helmet, and it sucks. It really sucks. So that means that I have to search online or to try to hunt down for this visor, sorry, or I can go onto the fishing website, and it's from Scorpion. I love their helmets. I see loads of helmets that I want to get. Well, not loads. Some helmets that I want to get because I like. So yeah, it really sucks. It really sucks that the visor just come off. I was like, what? You gotta be kidding me. And some of these visors are not cheap. Some of them are like 30 something pounds and that, and I was like, oh man. But all I can say is that I am so glad that I got a second helmet with a clear visor on. So I'm actually really happy that I got myself a second visor. I think some of you guys know the second visor. I was wearing it on my off-road and on-the-road adventure. If you guys don't know what it is, you can go down to my subscription and look on there, because all the details of like my bike and helmet, I should actually put my gloves on there as well. I should have put my gloves on there as well, so I might do that. They've got details of my camera, what camera I'm using. It will tell you my old camera, my new camera, everything that you want to know will be on the description. I actually thought that I forgot my wallet. That happened to me more than once. Yeah, so now that I have to freaking fork out money to get my new visor. Wow. And this is the problem, is that when you're not working, you can't afford to get new stuff. You can't afford to get new stuff, and this is what the most annoying thing about when you're not working, is that you can't get the stuff that you need. So I say that if I had one helmet and my helmet is damaged, I have to wait to get a helmet. Well, get money for a new helmet. I ain't gonna buy no cheap helmet. Don't trust it. I can tell you right now that I am just so lucky that I got a spare visor. Just can't believe it, that just happened. Oh my gosh. This is really, really not the time for me to think, you know, helmets breaking. It's not really a good time when your helmet is, or visor is actually breaking apart. And right now I am so peed off. I am so freaking peed off that it, oh man, it's gonna cost me a fair bit of money. So basically, but anyway, it's just when things start breaking apart and you've got no money to replace it, you're just like, oh man, you gotta be kidding me. Nice car. But now that means I'm on the hunt now to find. So that means I'm on the hunt to try to find a good decent price of a visor for my helmet. So fingers crossed. Right now I'm gonna head to a friend's house and find out what he wants, because he's saying this is not working on my PC and blah blah blah, and he's getting pretty stressed out, and he said he's going to smash it. Well, I said to him, if you're going to smash your computer, don't bother calling me. Get yourself a function bag, or try to get yourself a function bag. I don't see the point in breaking something that is working.
Acting like a stranger, said you see me later, but you never call back. I've been getting faded, running out of patience, but I know it's alright. I'll just keep on waiting till you come.